How to download and install Facebook Lite on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install Facebook Lite on any Android phone. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Play Store app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the search icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the search section, just tap on the search bar at the top and simply type in Facebook Lite and simply search for that. And now here on the search result, just select the Facebook Lite. And here, once you see the interface like this, just tap on install button to start the installation. Now here, you just have to wait for the app to download and install. And once installed, you can just tap on open to launch the app. And here, after that, you can simply log in with your account and use the Facebook Lite. And that's it. That's how you can download and install Facebook Lite on Android. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.